Today I'm going to show you how I infill my BIAB or build it in a bottle nails. First, use some hand sanitizer because you want to keep your hands clean as well as the products you're going to be using. You're going to need a cuticle pusher. If you don't have a metal one, you can use an orange wood stick, and you may have seen me use these during your appointment. Please do not use these on yourself. You will need your builder gel colour of your choice. This one I'm using is called Aurora from the gel bottle, or you can go in with clear and then use a gel polish colour of your choice on top. If you wonder what I use on most of you, it's likely this colour Teddy, or if you're unsure, please just drop me a message. You'll need a gel top coat, your prep solution. You can use acetone at home. This is just to remove dust and dehydrate the nail, where you'll usually see me use this product. And of course you will need a UV or LED lamp. I recommend using one which is at least 48 watts. You're going to need a soft grit nail file. By this I mean one that isn't very rough. One with a 180 grit is perfect for your natural nails and infilling. The lower the number, the rougher the nail file will be, so do not use one with an 80 grit on your natural nails. Start with your cuticle pusher and gently push back the cuticle and use the reverse end to scrape away any other dead skin on the nail plate. And using the 180 grit nail file, you will need to file off the top coat on the hard gel. Gently etch the nail plate too, just above the gel, so that you can create some texture for the hard gel to grip onto. Use prep solution or acetone on a lint-free wipe or a paper towel to wipe over the nail and remove all dust. Here I'm just showing you that it's perfectly okay to use acetone because it is actually one of the ingredients. At this stage you'd normally see me go in with this and go around the nail, but there's no need since you've used acetone and that will dehydrate the nail. So now just pick up your builder in a bottle and I want you to scrape off the excess like this. So swirl it in the bottle and then you're going to just scrape it up so that there's only a tiny blob on there. You want to work with minimal product. Now place the hard gel at the top of the enhancement where your natural nail is, and you want to push it up slowly with the tip of the brush. It's really important you don't touch your skin with the hard gel. One, because it will cause the nail to lift, and two, because you don't want to overexpose your skin to any chemicals which will cause contact dermatitis. And once you've applied the first bit of the hard gel, you're then going to just go down each side very slowly, making sure you don't touch the skin. Cure this in the lamp for the recommended time on the product's bottle. 1 minute is usually fine, or 99 seconds on low power mode. Always follow manufacturer's instructions to get the best application and wear from the product. And once again, use your acetone and lint-free wipe or paper towel to wipe off the inhibition layer of the hard gel. Use the 180 grit nail file to shape the nail. And if you're a bit of a perfectionist like me, you can always file the top and contour the shape of the nail. Use the acetone and lint-free wipe to get rid of all the dust. Now with your gel top coat, again you want to spin it round in the nozzle and get as much excess off as you can. Use minimal product. You want to place this on the nail, push it up to the cuticle and go down each side, careful not to touch the skin. Cure this for its recommended time, usually 1 to 2 minutes is fine, and use a cuticle oil to restore the moisture in the skin around your nail. And here you can see the infilled index finger next to all the other nails. You can see it looks a lot fresher and neater. So yeah, I hope this helped all of you at home trying to infill your hard gel nails. If you've got any other questions, do message me and I'll try my best to answer them.